regular Uber rider and ever wondered if you could book your Uber ride via WhatsApp? No, right? But we have got amazing news for you. Hello, I'm Aishwarya and welcome back to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. I'm back with another exciting news from the social media ecosystem. Uber trips may now be booked using WhatsApp in India. An official WhatsApp chatbot has been established to assist this service, and it may has been available in Lucknow first. It is currently only available in English, but it will most likely be made available in other regional languages as well. The integration is said to be the global first for Uber, and it appears to make booking a cab as easy as possible. Uber and WhatsApp intend to spread this service to other cities shortly. WhatsApp users can book an Uber ride in 3 ways. 1. By messaging Uber's business account number. 2. By scanning a QR code or by immediately clicking a link to initiate an Uber chat account. The chatbot will then ask the user for pickup and drop-off location and the type of ride they want to book. In addition, the chatbot will provide upfront fare information and the driver's predicted arrival time. Riders will no longer need to download or use the Uber app as the result of this integration. Instead, all tasks will be managed within the WhatsApp chat interface, including user registration, booking a ride, and receiving a travel receipt. Riders will receive the same safety features and insurance coverage as those who book rides directly through the Uber app. They will be informed of the driver's identity and license plate. They will also track the driver's whereabouts, pickup spot, and communicate with him via a masked number. The WhatsApp chat flow will advise the rider about safety requirements such as how to contact Uber in an emergency. According to the company, if a user selects the emergency option while on the trip, they will receive an incoming call from the Uber's customer care staff. Uber riders will now have access to company's safety line number, which they may call if necessary until 30 minutes after the trip finishes. So, are you excited to utilize this new feature provided by WhatsApp and Uber? Do let us know in the comments below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.